Guess what I got today? I got my carbon fiber hood for my Honda Civic. Yeah, boy. No, I'm just kidding. It's for my AMG. For my hood. Gonna take out the hood today. I'm gonna put the carbon fiber hood, and she gonna help me. But I gotta pull this out real quick because I can't pull it out.
Damn.
No cracks.
Scratches or nothing?
No cracks? Nothing. Perfect. Checking for cracks. No cracks there. No cracks there. I see no cracks. This is 30. There's no cracks. But it's looking good though. Looking real good, man. Can't wait to look. Can't wait for it to look good on this Honda. For me, a mean, aggressive Honda. I'm getting all the looks on this Honda Civic. They're gonna look real good on the Honda Civic. What you gotta think? It's gonna look good? I think it's gonna look good. But it's gonna look good. It looks good. There's no cracks. This is 30. This is a 50. I think it's a black edition carbon fiber hood. There's no cracks. But I can't put it on today because it's raining. And I don't think I have the tools for it yet. But it's gonna be on this. Shit. Did you guys hear that? It's a ghost. Is everybody there? The door just opened. I mean, the door just closed by itself. Oh. But it's gonna look real clean, man. So, hopefully tomorrow we can put it on. Or maybe today. We'll see. See how I feel. But, yeah. No cracks. I don't see any cracks. I thought that was a crack right there. I almost got a heart attack. No. So it looks real clean. Hey, you guys want to see my laser? Oh, baby. My laser. Is he dead? Oh shit. What was that? I didn't fart. I didn't know it was a ghost. I think he's dead. Nah, he's just sleeping. Ooh, my fart smells. Hey. Oh shit. Here he is. Look at him, man. Look at him, man. Ah. So we got to unbolt all of this. I gotta unbolt all this. But once I unbolt it, we'll see from there. Alrighty, so we just gotta take out, let me focus, here we go, we just gotta take out this pan, this, and we gotta take out this, and then, so far, that's all I know, but once I take it out, I'll let you guys know, but anyways, we took out the pans, took it out, and yeah, so I just gotta unbolt this. I'll probably leave that on. I think probably leave it on. I don't know. But unbolt this. We got to take out this, and then that's it. I'll probably unbolt this too, that part. So I just gotta find it. It's a mess. I can't even find nothing, bro. I'm a mess. I can't find nothing. It's gonna be a while. I needed 20. This is an 18. It's close though, you know. 19. Well, I'll be back once I find the right, you know, right number to unbolt all this, so we can get this hood on. And I got my car 30, man, in the rain. But it's alright. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good once I put this on. But wait, come here, I gotta show you something. Come here. Come here, look.
Ow!
Look out. See that? I was trying to fart in your face.
That's why I didn't go all the way down. That's something wet.
Almost destroyed my booty hole. I hurt my butthole, bro. That sure hurt. I think I gotta wipe my ass. I gotta check my asshole after this. But stop messing around. I cannot find a boat. I think I gotta go buy some. Oh man, out here with the coronavirus, man. We're going. It's depressing. I can't even find it. But so I got the first one out. All right. Put this down. Can't do it with one hand. Damn. Oh my god. I thought I broke it or cracked it. Nope, I took this one out. One is out. Now I gotta take that one out. So, yeah. Grab this. You know, doing it with one hand, it's really, really hard. Take this motherfucker out. That's the second one. Now we just gotta unbolt that and that. It's pretty easy. You just gotta pop this off. But I can't do it with one hand, obviously. But yeah, I'll try to show you guys. All you gotta do is just pop this off somehow. I'm gonna try to figure it out. Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek. God damn. Why they gotta make it so hard? There, bro. Whoa. I gotta take a break.
Getting mad already?
Come on, man. I just need to get this fucking bolt off. Why did you put it right here, bro? I got it. I got it. I got it. Come out, you little. Woohoo! Yeah. Fuck yeah, man.
Got that out.
Now we gotta take out the hydraulics and unbolt this and that. It needs 2 people to do that. Hey, 2 people. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got this out. It was pretty easy. I got confused at first, but you just gotta unbolt this first, and then this will come out really easy. It was just on this. I just pull it out. So that will come out, and she's holding it. How's your arm feel? Alright, I'm gonna go, okay?
Go where?
I'm gonna go eat. That's food.
That's not fair.
Now I just gotta unbolt these. Whoa, gotta unbolt these 3, and then pull that out, and then yeah, we just gotta bolt that to that, and then yeah. I know her arms hurt, but let me go see what my sister got real quick. Let's go see.
Get your ass
Hold on, I gotta see the food, man. I'm hungry. Is it good food?
Gotta microwave it.
Dang. Is it good?
I don't know. I haven't.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
I'm making a burrito right now.
Mocha. Mocha. Ah. Okay. Well, let me unbolt this real quick. All right. The hood is off. I forgot to take out this piece, and it almost like the whole thing almost fell. But we got it though. The hood is off. I don't know. I like it with no hood. It looks real clean, man. But now we gotta put that on. It's the same thing. Gotta put that back and forth on. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah. We gotta put the emblem on. Oh yeah, we do that. We'll do that later. That's the easiest part. But same thing. Just put it back, all the pieces back together. Alrighty, that's day 2. Oh my god, damn, almost got a heart attack. Damn. But it's the next day. It's pretty much on it, but we just gotta bolt some things and it'll be on it. It's not really on it yet. We just gotta put on these parts. Once we put it on, oh, is the focus? We put it on this, I think it will officially be on. So it's fully on. The fitment's alright. There's still like a gap between, but it's alright. It's still nice though. I mean, it stays. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about it, but we just gotta see it in the sun. So hopefully I can take it out today in the sun. Pretty cloudy, but it's pretty nice. And hopefully sooner or later I'm gonna get the carbon fiber trunk for this car. Let me know, carbon fiber trunk first or a full exhaust. Put it down in the comments below. Let me know which one I should get first. But I'm pretty happy. I just wish it actually fits fully, but it's okay. But yeah, leave a like if you guys like this video and want me to do more videos. So hope you guys have a nice day today and be safe out there with the virus. Stay clean, my boys.